At my dad's house, he's Austin Land Crab there, he's Rover P5B, my Viva HC wagon. More about that later in the channel, but first, let's see if we can get this baby started. New solenoid. New fuel pump. New coil. Fresh battery. Nah, still on. Alternator nugget.
Stupid bugger, what am I?
Oh, there's no bell on it. Well, people, the old girl's a runner. Let's go and clean out the garage and start the rebuild. Right, that's the garage cleaned out. Let's go and get the Viva. Good morning. The tow truck's been delayed by a couple of days, so it's now Friday the 13th when we're going to pick up the Viva. Not that I'm superstitious. So let's go meet my brother in the tow truck at my dad's house and tow the Viva up here. Back at my dad's house, there it is, the legit tow truck. Michael the driver. And there she is. Let's get this baby home. Right, she's home. In the next video, we'll start the rebuild. I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to pick up the...